in my design centre, I can actually draw on the screen. So I'll pick my pen tool. I can have it as a satin stitch, a running stitch, or a triple stitch. I'm going to leave it as a satin stitch there. I can have it as an open line, so I can draw what I want. I can have it so that it joins up, and then a straight line, or if I'm perhaps tracing something round, this one will give me a more accurate tracing because it'll allow the nodes. But we're just going to go with this one for now. I'm going to stay with black, and I can just draw onto the screen. I can enlarge it to check that it's all joined up, and this moves it round. So we're on the Stellaire here. The Luminaire has the same thing, but you have a hand image, and you click the hand image to move it round the screen. I can now colour it in. So this top section is sort of your outlines, and the middle section is your fills. So I've got my flood fill. I can fill the leaf in there. And maybe I want to add some vein to the leaf. Now they're a bit messy, so I'd have been better off enlarging it and doing it that way, or I can take my rubber, rub it out, whichever. But if we go to now, we go to the preview screen. Just return and make it the normal size. So your preview screen will go through each part of the design, and this is where you can change it. If you press on the link, you can put the understitching on for everything. And you want an understitch in on a biggish design so that it holds the fabric out. So it's showing me the veins I've put in, so I'll leave them alone, they're fine. The green for the leaf, I can look at the density, I can look at pull compensation, so that's how much it's going to pull in or not, but it tends to be okay as it is. The direction of the stitching, it's automatic, or I can put it on manual and change the angle, and that will work better against the grain of the fabric. I'll leave the little stem bit, that's fine as it is. Now I've got the black, which is my outline, so it's giving me a 2mm satin stitch. I'm just going to take that down to 1.5. You've got a little bit of adjustment, but not an awful lot. Then I can close the preview. If I might want to go back to it, I would save it at this point, but I'm just going to let it go on. Right, so here I've got these little white lines around the edge. Now, again, if I change the angle, the little white lines should disappear. So I'm going to go back to my green. Nope, it's still showing little white lines. They probably won't show when it's stitched out. We'll set it anyway. We rotate it a little bit. There you go, they've gone. So I've changed the angle of the actual leaf. I could mirror image it, I can duplicate it. And I could change the colour of one of them, maybe not both of them. So rotate them, move them, etc. When I'm happy with what I've got, go to embroidery and it's ready to stitch out.